Hey, what's up, everybody? And hope you guys are having a great Saturday. I'm going to go ahead and announce April's models of the month. So, coming up in April, we have three models that I am going to offer for the current subscribers and new subscribers. And we're going to talk about a possible fourth model here in just a second. First off, let me thank you guys for all of your support for the month of March. Everybody seemed to really like them and everything. So now we move on to April. And man, it's like right here. Like it just, March just flew by, right? I mean, come on. So anyway, let's get right down to it. So the lineup for March, the first model of the month that we're going to have is we're going to have from the GI Joe line, we're going to have Gung Ho. So I knew I was going to do Cobra Commander, but I decided at the last minute that I wanted to do Gung Ho first. And then we're going to go back probably in May and do Cobra Commander. So from the GI Joe line, we're going to continue with Gung Ho. It's going to be a pretty cool pose. I think you guys are really going to dig it. So that's the first one. The second model of the month that we're going to do is Thor. I guess you could tell by the kind of the teasers that I put out on the page. We're going to do Thor, God of Thunder, and looking forward to doing old school Thor, comic Thor, not the movie version, but it's going to be the suit from the comics. This is going to be in a very, very cool pose. It's actually started and underway. So looking forward to Thor as well. And the third model of the month to go along with Thor is going to be Hela. So Hela is coming. She is like, you know her, the one with the big, huge headdress and everything. This is going to be a really cool pose. But looking to get into some of the female sculpts, nothing overzealous, over exaggerated, over sexualized, or anything like that. We're going to go ahead and do it the right way. So, looking forward to those three models. So, we got Gung Ho from G.I. Joe, we got Thor, and we have Hela. So, this is, let's make April Asgard month, Asgard April, whatever you want to call it. The fourth model is going to be a surprise. Now, the only way that you're going to be able to get this fourth model is if you are a current subscriber when I release it. In other words, if you are a new subscriber, if you subscribe after I release that model, you will not get it. This is only for, this is kind of like a loyalty model if you want. But this is going to be for current subscribers only. This is not going to be for new subscribers. I'm going to offer this model just one time this month. And if you're a current subscriber, you'll get it. And if not, then you will not be able to get it. No, it is not a Punisher model. I know a bunch of my loyalty models have been Punisher related, but this one I assure you is not. You guys are going to really, really like it. Um, and make sure you subscribe before then, and you never know when I'm going to release it. So you better get subscribed to the Patreon as soon as you can. Also, I will have. I can tell you that we have already decided on one of the models of the month for May, and that is going to be Judge Dredd. You heard it. We're going to do a very cool comic based Judge Dredd model, not the I am the law type of movie model or anything like that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to give it to you the way the comic book style is. So there you have it, guys. April, we got Gung Ho from GI Joe, we got Thor, and we got Hela. And no Ultimate models this month, but we got some coming up special for you in May. And we also have Judge Dredd has already been lined up. So get ready for those. May be a banger of a month because that's the beginning officially of summer. And I got something in the works that I'm going to cook up for you guys. I think you're really going to like it. So make sure $15 a month, get over there and join the Patreon right now. And because if you don't want to miss out on this fourth model, I promise you theirs. All right. Thank you guys so much. And let's get back to your lives. And thank you for tuning in. And don't forget, everybody, stay safe out there. Get out, create something. print, prep, paint, repeat until the next set of models or till we release some. We'll see you. Bye now. Oh, wait just a second. I almost forgot one of the most important parts of the video. So, starting in April, I am going to list every single model that I have made available to the Patreon in my Patreon on the page, on the free page, whatever, you can look it up. I'm going to list every single model on there. And for my Patreon subscribers, the current subscribers, or any new subscribers, you're going to be able to get one of those models that you probably haven't gotten for $10. Okay, $10. And I realize that not Patreon is not for everybody. And I am opening up some of these models, not the loyalty models, but everyone else. I'm going to offer these models for $20 to non subscribers. So if you see a model on there that you want, all you got to do is send a message. You'll get your model. $20. I'm going to make them available. This is not going to go through Gumroad. This is not going to go through any other site or anything. You're going to have to get them directly from me. And yeah, so if you want to get one of those models, you don't want to join the Patreon, that's perfectly fine. Or if you are a Patreon member and you just subscribed a couple of months ago and you see a model on there that you just want, you'll be able to get it for $10. The non Patreon members will be able to get it for $20. So I'm going to be offering that on April only. That is the only time I'm going to do that. I may offer it later down the road, but I'm going to do this one time in April. So make sure to check that out as well. But that's going to start April 1st. Okay. I'll be having all of the models listed on with pictures on my Patreon page. You can see it, everything there. Okay. All right. So now I think that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. All right. Bye, guys.